Hi, welcome to this video. If you're using the Cash Drama or Drama Cash app and your withdrawal is stuck on pending, verifying, or failing altogether, I need to give it to you straight. The issue is almost certainly not a technical glitch on your phone. User reviews and reports reveal a clear pattern with this app. It lets you accumulate points or coins by watching short drama clips and ads, but when it comes time to actually cash out, it moves the goalposts or completely freezes your withdrawal. So, there is the 15-day verification trap, that disappearing balance, the infinite ad loop, etc. So, if you want a troubleshooting just in case, check for an app update, right? Go to the Google Play Store, search for the app, and see if there is an update. A broken API on an older version can cause withdrawal buttons to freeze. And don't forget to clear the app cache. Go Settings, Apps, Cache Drama, Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary corrupted files. Check your wallet details. Double check that your PayPal, UPI, or e-wallet configuration numbers are typed in flawlessly, right? So if you did all that, what to do if it refuses to pay? If you have completed all these requirements, watch the ads, waited out the timers, and your payout is still frozen, you're likely dealing with a data harvesting or ad revenue generating app that has no intention of paying out large sums. So to protect yourself and your data, do not give sensitive info. Flag the app on the Play Store, okay? And uninstall and move on. Don't feed the app more ad revenue. If you want to make actual pocket money on your phone, stick to highly reviewed, verified reward platforms like FreeCash, Swagbucks, or Misplay, which have strict minimum thresholds, usually under $5 to $10, and a multi-year track record of actually fulfilling payouts. So consider liking this video. Subscribe, it really helps with the channel. See you.